Do you want to recite the Quran the way it was revealed? Do you wish to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence while reading the words of Allah? Welcome to Al-Fatima Quran Academy. We proudly present our Tajweed-ul-Qur'an Course, specially designed for children, adults, beginners, and advanced learners. At Al-Fatima Quran Academy, we focus on correct Makharij, proper Tajweed rules, smooth and beautiful Quran recitation, and step-by-step learning with qualified Quran teachers. Our classes are conducted online, allowing you to learn from the comfort of your home at flexible timings that suit your schedule. Whether you are starting from the basics or want to perfect your recitation, our teachers provide personal attention and easy-to-understand lessons. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it." Take a step closer to the Quran today. Join the Tajweed-ul-Qur'an Course at Al-Fatima Quran Academy. Learn to recite the Quran correctly, confidently, and beautifully. Contact us now